Hello Evergreen traders and investors, this is JC de Guzman. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 31. Today is December 2, 2019, Monday. I'm going to talk about AgirNurture Incorporated, or ANI, or ANI for short. And the question that I'm going to answer is this. Does this stock have strong buy signals already? Can we buy it right now? Well, let's take a look first at what transpired today. ANI closed today at 13.86 pesos per share, or 13 pesos and 86 centavos per share as of market closing on December 2, Monday 2019. It went down by 0.72%. The total turnover value is relatively minimal at 4.46 million pesos. Local traders are the main drivers of ANI today. Foreign investors, on the other hand, registered a net foreign buying worth 4.25 million pesos, but don't be astonished by that percentage because they are net sellers year to date, and besides, there's nothing to worry because they're not the main participant. They're not major participant of ANI year to date. In other words, their participation is just insignificant in terms of amount. Moving forward, the immediate support of ANI is near 12.50 while the resistance is at 15 pesos per share. The 10 SMACD combo is bearish. If you are a subscriber of my online stock market course or online stock market seminar, whatever you want to call it, you should already know what 10 SMACD is and why do I check it, what it is meant for. Is it for a buy signal or sell signal or what? If you'd like to know more about my online stock market seminar or online stock market course, which by the way I specifically call as the Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing the Philippine Stock Market, just go to our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on the course menu on top. Then you will then see the details of what's included in this course. So no need to travel, no need to experience traffic for you to hear me speak in front of you. This course has a Taglish and a straight English version, so whichever you like to listen or watch to. Now moving forward, ANI has a historical volatility score of 24.33%. That falls under the low risk category. However, it doesn't mean it has a low risk level. It doesn't mean that you should buy the stock right away. All right? I am only using this historical volatility or risk level to measure how much does a stock fluctuate every single day. I also discussed that in detail in my online stock market course, and I hope you will subscribe to that product, to that service, so that you can learn my overall strategy from stock selection all the way to the execution of plan, regardless whether you are into short-term trading or long-term investing. It applies to both. Furthermore, the trade and volume distribution analysis my trade and volume distribution analysis for ANI shows that the last price is already below the VWAP. From that point alone, I already know that I got a bearish momentum power indicator for ANI. Now, what is this momentum power indicator? This is also one of my proprietary indicators which I use together with my 10 SMACD combo when it comes to looking for confirmed buy signals. I'm not going to discuss that in detail right here in this episode. I suggest that you avail of the online stock market course to know the nitty-gritty details of my explanation. Okay? Now, with that said, there's no confirmed buy signal for ANI for now, based on what transpired today. Reasons? The 10 SMACD combo is bearish. The momentum power indicator is also bearish. For the true market sentiment, we see here that the majority of the top 10 brokers of ANI registered a bearish true market sentiment. So if these 7 bearish top players will influence these 3 bullish players by the next trading day, it's not impossible for ANI to break below the immediate support. It just so happens that the total turnover value, cumulatively speaking, of these bullish top 3 players is higher than the cumulative total turnover value of the 7 bearish members of the top players. So if these 7 will influence the 3, it's not far from the possibility it's not far from happening that we will see any below the immediate support within this week. But that's just a data-driven forecast. We are yet to confirm that in the coming days on December 3, Tuesday. So what's my recommendation? This is the best part of this episode. If you have ANI, what's my recommendation? Well, number one, under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, well, that's the only logical thing that I can think of on why you should still hold your position on ANI. If your trailing stop is still intact, I suggest that you reduce your percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Reduce. Or you can hold your position but make sure that you don't buy more shares yet. Don't average down. I don't see that applicable in this case of ANI, at least based on what happened today. Okay, my sentiment, my recommendation is subject to change. Of course, sentiments change when price and volume change as well. That's why it's best that you are a subscriber of Equilyst Analytics so that whenever you see a significant change in terms of price and volume, you can always ask us for an on-demand analysis in our private clients forum. That's the only way for us to tell you if we already see a confirmed buy signal or not, or there's none yet. But for now, that's my advice for those who may still have ANI in their portfolio. What if you don't have ANI? Should you enter a new position? No. There is no confirmed buy signal yet. Okay? When will there be a confirmed buy signal? When the 10 MACD combo and when the momentum power indicator are both bullish. Not just either, but both. But how would you know? This is a proprietary strategy. Well, you will know if you will post a request in the private clients forum. But that is exclusive to the subscribers of Equilyst Analytics. So how to subscribe? Just visit our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe menu on top. You will then see the details of what you will exactly get when you subscribe and how much you will have to pay. The good news is you will just have to pay about 12 pesos and a few centavos per day for 1 year to get all of these inclusions listed on this article. Okay, so go to our website www.equilyst.com, then click on subscribe to know the details. And by the way, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter. Just go to our website at www.equilyst.com, click on resources, and then click on learn. There's a sign up button there, a yellow-orange button. Click on it to expand that area. Then you will have to sign up. Don't forget to confirm your registration so that you will receive an automated email every time we publish a freemium, free but high quality content. That's why freemium. All right. So don't hesitate to leave a comment on this video, on our YouTube channel, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, by the way. Or if you're listening to this one as a podcast on our SoundCloud channel, make sure that you subscribe to our SoundCloud or YouTube channel as well, so that you'll be notified. You'll be the first to be notified whenever we publish a new audio, a new podcast, or a new video. Again, this is JC De Guzman of Equilyst Analytics. This is EquiTalks episode number 31. Always remember, be evergreen.